Betty Friedan. Betty Friedan was a American feminist writer and activist. She was considered as the leading feminist in the 1960s, 70s, and 80s, and she was considered the role model feminist in the second wave of feminism. And she co-founded and elected the first. She co-founded and was elected the first president of the National Organization for Women. She founded the National Association for the Repeal of Abortion Laws in America, and by the struggle of this association, abortion laws were diminished in the United States of America. She wrote many books, and her books include The Feminine Mistake, It Changed My Life, Writings on the Women's Movement, The Second Stage, The Fountain of Age, Beyond Gender, and Life So Far. Basically, why are we discussing Betty Friedan here in the course of electronic media and virtual community? We are discussing her in this course because of her groundbreaking work in order to understand gender representation in the media. Actually, she in the 1960s challenged the image of happy housewife heroine. She at that time worked in the media industry of the United States of America. She remained with the various magazines, and she worked there. And after working there, she came to know that the happy housewife heroine was created by the print and electronic media, and through this uh, image, uh, they pretend that the only goal a woman is permitted to pursue in his life is the pursuit of a man, and women do not work except housework and work to keep their bodies beautiful and to get and keep a man. She argued that uh, basically a woman have to see the men, and women have to manage the household, and she cannot work outside the house, and she has to maintain the household. And this identity and role was reinforced by the advertisements and through the TV shows. Advertisers and women magazines manipulated women into believing they could achieve fulfillment by using the latest model vacuum cleaner, bleaching their clothes a pure white, or using instant cake mix as an outlet for creativity. तो बेटी फ्रीडन का आर्गुमेंट ये था कि जब हम अपने एज अ पर्सनालिटी की फुलफिलमेंट की बात करते हैं, जैसे कि मैस्लो हायरार्की ऑफ नीड्स की बात करता है कि एक शख्स जो है वो अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी नीड्स को ग्रेटिफाई करता है, वो उसको फुलफिल करता है। तो वो ये आर्गुमेंट करती है कि औरत जो है उसको जो जब नीड्स फुलफिलमेंट की बात होती है, तो मीडिया इंडस्ट्री जो है वो ऐसे वो उसके सामने चीज़ों को पोर्ट्रे करती है कि उसकी नीड फुलफिलमेंट हो सकती है एक लेटेस्ट मॉडल वैक्यूम ख़रीदने से, या वो कपड़े बहुत अच्छे धो ले और उनको बहुत अच्छा साफ़ कर ले, या वो किचन में बैठ के कोई नई रेसिपी बना ले। ये अगर वो काम करती है तो उसकी नीड्स फुलफिलमेंट होती है, और उसका बुनियादी काम यही है कि उसने जो है घर को देखना है और अपने खावंद को खुश करना है। अगर वो ये रोल अच्छे से परफॉर्म करती है तो वो एक जो है कामयाब औरत है। अगर वो ये रोल अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं करती तो ये वो एक कामयाब औरत नहीं है। ये जो प्रपोजिशन है, ये रीइंफोर्स की जाती थी थ्रू एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड टीवी शोज। और बेटी फ्रीडन ये कहती है कि एक्चुअली जो ये रीइंफोर्समेंट है ट्रेडिशनल जेंडर रूल्स की, मीडिया इसमें बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहा होता है। तो अगर हमने सोसाइटी में औरत को की एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़ानी है और उसको जो है इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करनी है और उसको एक प्रोफेशनली सक्सेसफुल करना है, तो हमें फिर उसकी ये जो ट्रेडिशनल जेंडर आइडेंटिटी है इसको ब्रेक करना होगा और उसको इस चीज़ की रियलाइजेशन देनी होगी कि वो सिर्फ जो है उसका सिर्फ ये काम नहीं है कि वो घर को संभाले और अपनी नीड्स को फुलफ़िल करे बेस्ड ऑन द हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटीज़, बल्कि उसके लिए जो नीड फुलफिलमेंट वो है कि वो एक कामयाब बिजनेसमैन बने, एक अपना कामयाब करियर बनाए। दे शुड बी हैप्पीली content to live in the world of the bedroom and the kitchen surrounded by their husband and babies. This was the scenario created through the advertisement and and by the media industry. And Betty Friedan argued that the only way to realize their potential as individuals and gain the personal identification essential to healthy family life is through meaningful careers. This is the main point of concern for the Betty Friedan. She believed that you should have meaningful careers in your life. ये उनका अपना एक्सपीरियंस भी था और अपने जो उनके साथ ग्रेजुएट हुई उस वक्त यूनिवर्सिटी से कलीग्स उनके कि उन्होंने जब उनसे अपने लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए, तो उसके बाद उनका ये जो है बिलीफ डेवलप हुआ कि औरत जो है जब तक एक मीनिंगफुल करियर नहीं अपनाती तब तक वो एक सक्सेसफुल वुमन नहीं है। Women have been trapped at the basic psychological level, expected to find their identity through their sexual role alone. So, by using Maslow hierarchy of needs, she explained that the women of that time were actually engaged at the basic level, and they were engaged to gratify their needs through the sexual roles only. She challenged this assumption, and she challenged that argument in the feminine mistake, and she said that if you want to live a successful life and to live a happy life, you should engage yourself in a meaningful careers. Friedan says that women need meaningful work just as men do to achieve self actualization, the highest level on the hierarchy of needs. And this was not any kind of exception when we talk about the male participation in the society. So, Friedan says that we should empower our women and to allow them to be actively engage themselves in a meaningful careers in the market.